Question 19, we have trigonometry, and we're asked to find W, so I'm going to take the triangle on the right, where I have W, 6 and 70. Now we're going to be using SOHCAHTOA, so I need to label the sides of the triangle. The 6 is the hypotenuse, and W is opposite the angle. So I have my SOHCAHTOA. I want O and H, so that's sine. If I draw out the triangle with sine O and H, and I want to work out O, I can see that O is the sine times the hypotenuse. So in this case, O, which is W, will be the sine of 70 times the hypotenuse, which is 6. And that gives us 5.64 to 2 decimal places. If we now consider the triangle on the left, I know that W is 5.64. I have Z and I have 8, and then I have 2 angles to work out. So I'm going to start off with the angle at the top, the Y. 5.64 is opposite and 8 is hypotenuse. So I am using SO again, opposite and hypotenuse, and the sine of Y equals 5.64 divided by 8. So the sine of Y is 0.705. So Y will be shift sine, inverse sine of 0.705, which gives us 44.83. So to work out X will be 180 minus 44.83 minus the right angle, the 90 degrees, and that gives us 45.17. Finally, we're asked to work out Z. There's a number of ways we could do it. We could use one of the angles and use trig. But personally, I am going to use Pythagoras. And Pythagoras' theorem tells me that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. So 8 squared will have to equal Z squared plus 5.64 squared. So Z squared is 8 squared minus 5.64 squared, which gives us 32.1904, and the reverse or the inverse of squaring is the square root. And if we take the square root of that to 2 decimal places, we get that Z is 5.67.